The Congress Lok Sabha MPs will meet in the Parliament House complex today. That meeting is expected at around 9:30 a.m. The leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, will be chairing this meeting. So remember, yesterday the opposition MPs, including Rahul Gandhi, were also holding a skit of sorts within the Parliament premises, saying Modi Adani bhai bhai. So that is going to continue. Sabyasachi, yesterday we saw the protest outside, and today, as the opposition accuses the Rajya Sabha chair of dismissing these discussions previously, but allowing these discussions to take place in the Rajya Sabha. Now the MPs are going to be meeting at 9:30 a.m. for the strategy meet, isn't it? So yesterday we saw the disruptions over the issue. Today is when the opposition is going to be taking action and moving the motion.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, at around 9:30, the Congress Member of Parliament would be meeting, and Mr. Rahul Gandhi will also be present in this meeting, where the Congress party will be further strategizing their move inside the Parliament, how to put questions to the central government. We had seen that since the beginning of the winter session. In fact, the Congress party and other Member of Parliaments have been protesting outside the Parliament in front of the Makar Dwar. We had seen that Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has been spearheading this protest on the Adani issue. And as per the Congress party sources, till the end of the winter session, the Congress party is going to ask question to the central government to hold a discussion on the Adani controversy, as well as they would be discussing whether to move the no confidence motion against Rajya Sabha chairperson Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar or not, because see, there are differences also within the India bloc, because the Congress party, the Samajwadi party, has not been joining with the Congress as far as the protest is concerned. But the Congress sources tell us that the Trinamool Congress, the Samajwadi party, have given a green signal as far as the no confidence motion is concerned. So after the Congress meeting that takes place at around 9:30 in the Parliament, a crucial meeting at around 10 or 10:30 will take place, where the parliamentary floor leaders of the opposition of the India bloc would be present out there. So there in that meeting, the Congress would be putting out its strategy and sharing the strategy and the details with other partners of the India bloc, that how they can take on the government, as well as they would be speaking on the no confidence motion against Rajya Sabha chairman Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar.
Okay.